You guys, yummy. Perfect. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a blueberry smoothie. Okay, so before I go into my video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about my videos. Okay guys, so, and thank you so much for supporting. All right, so let's dive right into the main video. Okay, so I have here some blueberries frozen, red banana, some cranberry juice, yes, and my yogurt. All right, you can use, it's non-fat, but you can use any yogurt you prefer. Okay, and I have my bullets. All right, so let's dive right into the video. So I'm gonna add this banana to the blender. Blueberry. Alright, remember it's blueberry smoothie I'm making, guys. So yeah, add some blueberries. Gotta add some yogurt. Okay, gotta add some cranberry juice, and I'm going to cover, and I'm going to blend. And there I have it, guys, my blueberry smoothie. See, it's all done. So I'm gonna glass this for you. Look at that purple color. My daughter would have loved this one because she loves purple. Look at it, guys. Yummy. I'm gonna taste this for you guys. Yummy. Perfect. My blueberry smoothie. So perfect. So perfect. It's blue, but it's purple. So perfect, guys. So go ahead, guys, and try it. The smoothie only use 4 ingredients: blueberry, red banana, yogurt, and some cranberry juice. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. It's good for the entire family. Okay. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment and know what you think about this nice video. Okay, so until next time, bye.